So we use some advanced techniques for getting DNA from ancient skulls to focus on a couple of cemeteries from 6th century Europe, one in Italy and one in Hungary, that are associated with so-called barbarian groups. And by doing this, this international team of people from the US and also from Hungary and Germany were able to show that a lot of these individuals in these cemeteries actually probably came from Northern Europe, migrating into the empire as it was crumbling. And we're also able to get an idea of the way they were organizing their society. Predominantly appeared to be around these kind of very large male-dominating king groups. There are women, but we don't know exactly where they were coming from, but they were not as closely related as the men that we found. So we actually didn't have much knowledge of barbarian tribes before that, because they didn't have any written texts that they left themselves. Everything came from the Romans, who were seeing their empire crumbling, so it's a very biased point of view. So by actually getting their DNA, we can start to build a picture of these barbarian peoples in a way we couldn't have before this technology. And this is a really important part of the development of modern Europe. Essentially, this fall of the Roman Empire, this transition into this kind of barbarian system, marks a major social, cultural and economic transformation for the continent, which would set the stage for modern Europe. And this is actually the first time this technology has been used to kind of characterize the genomes of everyone in an ancient cemetery. And we really hope to take this approach to other parts of Europe and maybe elsewhere in the world to really build a picture of the migration period of the barbarians. And we also really hope to build our own ancient DNA facility here at Stony Brook so that we can really increase the pace of this work.